Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's card making project, I'm using this cardstock which is 5 by 7. Then I'm using this die. So I have already cut it. I'll be using that for the background. And this leaf, this also I have kept it all ready for this project. Then I'll be using this circle frame that I'll be using in the center of the card. So let's have fun. Now I am sticking the die on the mixed media paper, which is the size of 5¼ by 4 inch, and that fits perfectly for the frame die. So now before sticking the center circle frame, I'm going to first color the leaf. So I'm using this distress paint, these 3 colors, and then I'm going to put the music on and you can watch me color, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, if you are watching my video or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, bell button, and turn on the notification bell so you can see my videos as I post it, so you will never miss it. Now I'm going to let it dry. So I am using this pattern paper, textured pattern paper actually, and that is of the size 6½ by 4½. And then I'm going to stick this paper on the top. Now I'm going to place it and see how I can adjust the leaves. So I'm going to cut the stem because it's too long. I think I have to cut the other one too, so it will be inside the frame. So now I'm going to stick the leaves first and then the frame. going to stick the frame. If you guys know any easier ideas, you can write it in the comment. So I'm sticking all the sides now. Now for the sentiment, I'm going to stamp this sentiment. But I didn't like it. I'm still cutting it, but I'm not satisfied for that card, so I'm taking another sentiment for thank you. And then I'm going to use the double-sided foam tape, and then I'm going to stick on the card. Now I'm using this sequence. So this finishes the first card. For the second card, I used this embossing folder, and I did the embossing for the background. I'm using this 5x7 cardstock, then the other elements along with this pink cardstock. So I'm going to first stick the cardstock on the base card. And then I'm sticking the embossed paper also on the top. And these are like 2 inches wide and like about 3 inches long. Excuse me. So I'm going to put together all these beautiful flowers. So I just changed the pattern paper there because I thought it will be a different color. Now I'm going to place it in C, and then I'm going to stick everything on the card. I love this card. This is one of my favorite. Now I did the die cut for the happy birthday sentiment. I'm going to give this card to one of my close friend. Now I'm going to use a sequence to finish this card. So this finishes both the cards. So I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.